Today I'm going to show you how to make cheese puffs. These are a traditional appetizer in France. Once they're cooked, once they're baked, they actually form a beautiful little pocket, and we're going to stuff those with Dungeness crab. To make our dough, simply 1 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 stick of butter. We'll bring this to a boil. As soon as it boils, the second the butter is completely melted, we're going to add 1 cup of flour to it and start stirring it until it becomes very fragrant and it starts to stick slightly to the bottom of the pan. That only takes about a minute. Traditionally, a pâte choux, a cheese puff dough, once it's heated, you have to start beating eggs into it one at a time. So I found an incredibly easy hack. This speeds the process up immensely and takes all of that work out of it. So we've stirred it on the stovetop. The dough is now going to go into our processor. We'll give it a quick spin, about 5 to 10 seconds, just enough to dissipate some of the heat. And then we'll add the eggs in a slow stream for about 10 seconds. Once that is done, then we process for about 30 seconds with the cheese, the shredded cheese at the end. So our dough is now done. I think the easiest way, honestly, because the dough is so sticky, the easiest way to deal with it is just by the spoonful. You want about a tablespoon or so per puff. It is going to look very rough, but that's fine. What we're going to do as soon as we get everything on the pan, we're going to go back with some wet fingertips and just smooth each one out. I put them in at 425 for 12 minutes, and then we're going to spin the pan and turn the temperature down to 375 for another 15 minutes. All right, we're going to make our crab filling, and I'm using this beautiful Dungeness crab lump meat. It has lots of different sized pieces in it. In my bowl here, I have a 1/4 cup of sour cream and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. To that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I have some fresh squeezed lemon juice here. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of that. In goes our crab, every last precious little piece. To that, we'll add some fresh herbs, some chives, some fresh dill is perfect. A little parsley would be fine. Our cheese puffs have come out of the oven. They're puffed and golden. All we're going to do is just make a small slit in the top of each one and then put about a teaspoon of filling into it and a cute little garnish. That's it. There they are, these beautiful little Gougères cheddar cheese puffs stuffed with Dungeness crab. Excellent for holiday get-togethers and really any time of the year.